In this video, I'm gonna show you what are the alternatives to Instagram for photographers and which one fits your goal the best. Instagram is still a great platform for photographers for 4 reasons. The first reason is Instagram's large user base. Instagram has a large user base of over 2.3 billion active users, which means that photographers have the potential to reach a large audience with their work. The second reason for the popularity of Instagram is that its content is easily shareable. Instagram is designed for sharing photos and videos, which makes it a convenient platform for photographers to share their work. The third reason is Instagram's aesthetic features. Instagram offers a variety of aesthetic features such as filters and editing tools, which can help photographers to create visually appealing content. And the fourth reason is the strong community. Although Instagram is a good platform for photographers, but still there are some platforms that are more preferred by them. 3 of these alternatives to Instagram for photographers and content creators are Vero, Substack, and YouTube. Let's review and see why each one of these photography platforms could be a replacement to Instagram. Let's begin with Vero Photography app. The first characteristic of Vero is its focus on authenticity and privacy. Vero is a social media platform that is designed to be more authentic and private than Instagram. This is because Vero does not use algorithms to determine what content users see, and it does not allow for anonymous commenting. The second characteristic of Vero is its growing popularity among photographers. Vero is a relatively new platform, but it has been growing popularity among photographers. This is because Vero offers features that are specifically designed for photographers, such as the ability to share high-quality images and videos, and the ability to connect with other photographers and potential clients. The next photography alternative to Instagram is Substack. The first characteristic of Substack is that it allows photographers to generate revenue from their content. Substack is a platform for creating and publishing newsletters. Photographers can use Substack to share their work, thoughts, and stories with subscribers. It is a paid platform, but it offers photographers a way to generate revenue from their content. So this is a good option for photographers who want to make money from their work. The second characteristic of Substack is that it allows photographers to build a community. This can be a valuable way for photographers to connect to their audience and get feedback for their work. The next alternative website to Instagram is YouTube. The first advantage of YouTube is that it reaches a large audience. YouTube is the most popular video sharing platform in the world. This means that photographers have the potential to reach a large audience with their videos. The second advantage of YouTube is that it allows photographers to share their work in depth. YouTube allows photographers to share their work in depth by creating videos that explain their techniques, show their process, or document their travels. This can be a great way for photographers to showcase their skills and knowledge. And now it's the time for conclusion. Ultimately, the best platform for photographers will depend on their individual needs and goals. If you are looking for a platform to share your work with large audience, YouTube is a good option. If you want to generate revenue from your content, Substack is a better choice. And if you want to connect with a specific audience and share your work in a way that feels authentic, Vero is a good option.